My latest $4 creation. Got the toy at Dollar Tree, the glass thing at Dollar Tree, the rocks, and a mix of moss. Oh, $5, because I did buy some skulls. But skulls like this, I just took the skull off. And the rocks and some moss. $4 or $5. I'm gonna add some lights, so it'll be $6 by the time it's done. You can do this too, guys. It looks really neat. It's one of my strange little hobbies. Hope you enjoy it. All right, so I added some lights to our guy here. Now these lights, I got at Dollar Tree, I think. Dollar Tree, yes. You can actually cut them, they're pretty long. So you can see I cut off a little piece right there. I don't know if you can see it, but I have a lot of string left over. So with that, I'm pretty sure you can add what's left over to your next string of lights if you're gonna do that. Because I have this other jar I'm gonna fill with my Predator action figure, but you know, I just put this together, just took a couple minutes. I just like the way it looks. Hope you like it too, guys. You can do this, it's real easy. See you next time, guys. Bye.